Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and I want to show you these deck railing connectors that made our project super easy.
These plastic connectors from Decorators really were a lifesaver on this project. Because of the spacing of our deck post, it was kind of tricky to get something that would work, and these really made all the difference in the world. We were able to use little wood spacers with these connectors and were able to get the perfect fit. Another issue we had run into, and these were super helpful, was the fact that the pillars on the ends of our deck where we would have to attach the railing are circular, and so it was kind of tricky to figure out how to get these on. So thankfully these are a semi-flexible plastic connector, but also the screws go in at an angle, so even though our pillars were circular, we were still able to get a really snug and secure fit thanks to the angled screw. So this turned out to be the perfect product for this job.
So we are really happy with the outcome of this project, and that's my point of view.